Alright guys, I welcome you all to this video where I'm going to show you how you can reduce the video size using this powerful software called HandBrake. HandBrake is a open software which is free online that you can make use to reduce the size of your video. When you open the app, just go to where we have, you can import the file either by click on this batch scan or file. Batch scan is when you have more than one video in which you want to reduce its size. For this sake of this tutorial, I'm going to make use of a single video file by clicking on this file. Now the next thing is for me to locate where I have the video on my laptop. This is the video in which I want to reduce the size. The size of the video, as you can see, is around. Let me show the property so that you can see the size 86.5. The next thing is for you to click on open. It has opened in this HandBrake software. The next thing is for you to come to the settings here. We have under video, you can increase the quality of the video by placing it along the side, but likewise you can also reduce the quality of the video. You can come to where we have the preset here. The preset of this video is 1080 pixel. You can come to any pixel in which you want. You can choose 730 or you can use the preset pixel. Now the next thing is for you to choose the format in which you want to. You have the MP4 format, we have MKV format, we have WebM format, but for this video I'm going to choose MP4 format. You can come to browse here to choose the location in which you want your video to be saved on your PC. I want it to be saved on this video folder. That's the reason why I chose this video. Now click on save. Now the next thing is for you to click on start encode. As you can see now, the preparing, you can see now is moving. It is in 4%. You are going to wait until it reaches 100%. That's when your video will be done. But let me pause the video. When it reaches 100%, I'm going to um, resume this video. Let me remove the video. As you can see, we are now at the video is now at 98% now. It has complete downloading. Let's go to the file in the folder in which you save the video. It's under the video file. Now let me locate the video. Boom, as you can see, this the size of the video has changed from 86.5 to 10.3 megabytes. It means that this is one of the powerful software that you can use to reduce the size of your video. If you find this video helpful, click on subscribe button, like this video and share this video to your friend. See you in the next video. Bye for now.